Hello. Hi, everybody. Today we are here in my laundry room, and isn't it glorious? Because several friends of mine had suggested that I do a video on how to clean out your dryer vent. Now, this is something we all know that we're supposed to do, but we don't always get around to it. I've been here for 13 and a half years in this house, and I have never cleaned my dryer duct. Sorry. So today we're going to do that, and I went to Home Depot, and I go to Home Depot because it's the closest to my house. You could get this at Lowe's, you could order it online, you could get it at Ace Hardware, probably. But this is a drill-powered duct brush, which means I get to use a drill too, which I always love. Now, this is flexible, so you can, stick it through the vent. Your vent is made out of hard aluminum, as opposed to your air conditioning ducts, which are that soft material that you can pierce real easily. You can't do that with the dryer duct, at least not most of them that I'm aware of. And mine, you have to go through about 15 feet or so through, basically underneath my bedroom, in order to get to the outside walls. So this is 8 feet. I'm gonna have to do it from the inside and the outside, and then use a leaf blower too. So yay, lots of power tools in my day today. So first thing I have to do is pull out the dryer. So I'm gonna do that. That moved out of the way. Okay. Oh, look, it's a sock. Ta-da! Now, a little dirty down here. Sorry about that. I bet yours is just as bad though. Okay, so that's the back of the dryer. This is where the dryer duct hooks on. This popped off when I moved it. But basically, all you do to get these things off is you squeeze this little piece here, and then it just comes right off. There we go. So you squeeze that, and it just pops right off. Now, that is the duct that we need to clean out. Hello in there. This is the outside of my dryer vent here. I don't think I can take this off without doing some serious damage, so I'm going to leave it on. It's open right here, the hole. Let me see if I can show it to you. Let me see if it'll... And you can see how ridiculously crusty this is. I'm going to have to scrape this stuff off. But this is where it all comes out. So I can only imagine how clogged it is in there. This is going to be fun! Time to get started. Now, the trick is, this little kind of tricky angle down here for a camera. Now, because I don't have a whole lot of space in here, I'm just going to do these kind of one at a time, attach them here at this end, one at a time. And it also says to use duct tape to reinforce these connections so that you don't lose them. Now, it says to attach this to a drill. It doesn't give you a drill bit or anything. So I'm just going to kind of take it and put it, I'm going to try to see if I can put it in this hole. Man, do I love power drills. Honestly, I absolutely love power tools. Here we go. Okay, all right. All right, now let's see. Oh, I could find so many uses for this in my house. I'm so excited. Okay, all right, so here we go. Pushing that in there. Oh, can you see the dirt? I don't know if you can see the dirt. Oh, look at the dirt coming out of there. Oh, it's disgusting. Now I wonder, now this thing is flexible, so it is supposed to go around turns. I didn't think that I had any turns in this, but it feels like I do. So now I'm kind of wondering what I do with that. Oh, there we go. I guess you keep turning it, and it automatically kind of guides itself. Duct tape. Ooh. And I'm going to do the same thing from the other direction. Oh, boy. Now I'm going to take my leaf blower, blow all of the excess out of the hole. Now, unfortunately, I can't do this from inside the house out because it'll set off my smoke detectors because this is gas powered, and it will make my dogs pee and poop in the house and freak out, so I don't like that. So I'm going to do this. We're going to see how it goes. Ready? All right, let's go see how the inside of the laundry room looks. Let's go. Ooh, well, it kind of blew it all over the place. Oh, it looks like it blew my camera over too. Huh. Well, we're going to take a look at that footage and see. wanted to add real quick. If your dryer is right up against an exterior wall and your vent goes right outside, obviously you don't need to go through all this. All you got to do is just reach your hand up in there. As you're putting everything back together again, and you move the dryer back into place after you put this guy back on, sometimes what happens is it'll come off when you're adjusting it, and then you turn on the dryer and all of a sudden it's super duper hot in your laundry room and you think something's wrong. If that happens, just make sure that this thing didn't come loose as you were pushing it back in, because that's happened to me before. So I'm actually going to go around the house real quick and see what else I can clean with this. This thing's kind of flexible, so it's not entirely practical for a lot of things, but I bet if you attach this to a metal pole and then use the drill, I bet that would actually work pretty well. Maybe I'll make another video about that. Anyway, y'all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. Don't let your house get caught on fire.